File Test 4. Listening 2.
So, today, as part of our Climate First series, I'm speaking to Mike Stevens, a climate scientist. As you know, a lot of the talk about climate change these days is pretty depressing. But there are some really positive things happening to tackle the issue. And that's what we'll be talking about today. Mike, thanks for coming in.
Hello, Isabel. Good to be here.
So, I'm really looking forward to hearing about some of these creative solutions.
Yes, as you say, climate change is a serious issue, but that's no reason to give up and do nothing about it. Of course, many human inventions have been harmful to the environment, so it's really important that we turn our attention to using our scientific knowledge to help reverse that damage.
Yes, we think we're really clever, and of course we are, but we can't go on creating products and systems that destroy our own planet, can we?
Exactly. There's a lot of work to be done to reverse the damage. We need inventions that will protect the Earth and, hopefully, help environments to heal and get better again. So I'd like to talk you through just a few of the ones I think are really interesting.
Brilliant. Sounds interesting.
OK, so first on my list is drones that plant trees. We don't need to invent a machine to clean the air for us because we already have the natural equipment to do that for us, trees. Trees absorb the carbon from our fossil fuel emissions. They filter air and water. They return nutrients to the soil. And they provide essential food and habitats for wildlife. The problem is, right now, we're cutting them down faster than we can plant them. We're already planting trees by hand, but manpower alone can't match the rate of industrial deforestation. That's where the technology comes in. Drones can fly into areas that humans can't reach. Biocarbon Engineering, a UK-based company, aims to plant 1 billion trees per year using drones. First, they'll use mapping drones to research an area and determine the best planting strategy. Then, planting drones will fly 6 feet above the ground, firing seeds into the soil. Now that's pretty clever.
Yes, it is. And what about our oceans? I mean, they're in a real mess right now, aren't they?
Well, yes, but we may have a solution there too. If our plastic use continues, by 2050, the world will have 12 billion metric tons of plastic waste in landfills. That's a piece of plastic around the size of a car for every human on the planet. But an accidental scientific discovery might change all that. You see, a team of researchers in Japan has discovered an enzyme that can break down plastic in a matter of days. Considering it currently takes hundreds, if not thousands of years for plastic to break down, that's a massive improvement. It won't solve the problem alone, though. We'd have to stop putting plastic in the sea altogether to do that.
And what about energy? Are there any clever solutions happening in that area?
Yes, there are. We already have some effective solar panel technology, but of course, it only works efficiently when the sun shines. As a wet weather option, scientists in China are looking at ways they can extract energy from raindrops.
Raindrops, really?
Yes, it's a genius idea, isn't it? Another one is using